Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner B0BWPFNPXX and the Weber Spirit E-310 B0098HR1FI.
Yeah, time for some serious grilling. Let's break it down. Right off the bat, the Weber is pricier, around $619, while the Nexgrill is significantly cheaper at about $265. Big difference there.
Definitely. But what are we getting for that extra cash? It seems like the Weber has a bigger cooking area, 529 square inches, versus Nexgrill's 401. That's a decent amount more space.
True, and it also boasts 3 burners compared to the Nexgrill's 2. More burners usually mean better heat distribution and more control, right? It heats up faster, cooks more evenly, especially important when you're grilling different types of food at once.
Good point. The Nexgrill does have 28,000 BTUs, but the Weber, well, the BTU information isn't explicitly stated, but with that third burner, it's probably putting out more heat overall.
I'd bet on it. What about the build quality? The Weber's description mentions porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cookbox that won't rust or peel. Sounds pretty durable.
The Nexgrill also has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which is good, and a stainless steel control panel. But the Weber seems to emphasize its overall long-lasting build a bit more.
And the Weber has been around longer, judging by the ASIN. It's got almost 2,000 reviews with a 4.6 rating, while the Nexgrill has around 360 reviews and a 4.3 rating. So people seem pretty happy with the Weber's reliability.
Okay, so the Weber seems sturdier, with a larger cooking space and more burners. What does the Nexgrill bring to the table besides the lower price?
Well, it has foldable side tables, which could be a big plus if you're tight on space. And it's lighter, around 70 pounds compared to the Weber's hefty 116. Easier to move around, maybe?
Portability. I almost forgot. The Nexgrill also says it can be converted to natural gas, which is a nice option.
That convenient. Ultimately, it comes down to budget and needs. If you're looking for a reliable, durable grill with a larger cooking area and you're willing to spend more, the Weber seems like the better choice. But if you need something more affordable and compact, the Nexgrill could be a solid option.
Yeah, I think I agree. Weber for the serious griller, Nexgrill for the casual backyard BBQer. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.